Hello again. A little bit of a rethink on the design today. I'll show you what I mean. It has to do with the motor and the clearance and the yada and the blah blah. So we've got, that's like one of the side pieces of the table. Here's our middle piece of the table. There's new markers, sure rules. And what I was gonna do is put like 3/4 inch tube here, and then maybe bolt on angle iron there for gap filler. And the problem is that while this will have to, as we close, all of this that's in the space will have to slide under here. And I don't really have those 2 inches of clearance when it comes to the the motor housing. I have it above it, and I have it as far as the saw carriage and all that goes, but I don't have it with the motor housing. The motor housing is getting moved over just enough so that it fits in there. So while a piece of angle iron or something like that can slide above it and it shouldn't be a problem, the rest of the world can't. And that was going to be like, I was going to put like a 4-inch swivel on here, and then the leg or whatever, and no, it's not happening. We've got to rethink that. So this is the rethink. And since we're not gonna protrude over here except for like the thin piece, so we'll just draw the thin piece. Who knows how it's getting attached? Actually, I know. It can extend way over here. Just be some sort of flat steel, maybe aluminum, and you can just have angle iron. You can still put your pin location on the edge, although it could be a little bit of a problem it may cause some sort of problem. It needs to be beyond, it needs to extend beyond just a little bit. But again, since this is angle iron and some flat steel, I don't think that'll be a problem. So like our pin location can go on the edge, and this can still be mounted firmly, and then on this we can affix whatever we need. And then the swivel will still need to be pinned on this same, it still needs to swivel from that same point, but it can come down below the motor's world. And hopefully the travel of the raising and lowering of the blade will steer clear. And what I thought we'd do at this point is a big up under the swivels, we'll use the same boat seat swivels. It's just like a big letter H, or how about a box? So I could take some steel conduit, and I've got a conduit bender, it's not a problem, and just bend that shape and then attach it somehow. And then these guys provide the in and out for the walls, and ta-da. And so like off of this, wherever it needs to be, I guess a plate would need to be attached to this so I can attach what I need to. We could actually just make it a big triangle up to the angle iron, on each side. Doesn't seem super strong, but instead of making it a true triangle, how about trapezoid that uses the full size of the swivel? Make sense? So anyway, that's where we are right now. Have fun, super, bye bye.